Türkiye has completed a significant flight test that highlights a major leap in autonomous air combat technology. According to information released by Baykar, the test successfully demonstrated fully autonomous close formation flying by two unmanned combat aircraft, marking a milestone in modern aviation and unmanned warfare. During the test, two prototypes of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA unmanned combat aircraft, designated PT-3 and PT-5, took off consecutively and entered coordinated flight using intelligent swarm autonomy algorithms developed entirely by Baykar engineers. Once airborne, the aircraft maneuvered in close formation under the control of an autonomous combat pilot system, performing complex movements without direct human intervention. Baykar stated that this marked the first time in aviation history that two unmanned combat aircraft have executed close formation flight autonomously. Unlike traditional remotely piloted operations, the KIZILELMA platforms relied on onboard decision-making systems and real-time data exchange to maintain formation, adjust relative positions, and coordinate maneuvers dynamically throughout the flight. According to the company, this technological breakthrough allows complex air missions traditionally carried out by manned fighter aircraft to be transferred to autonomous systems. Formation flying is one of the most demanding tasks in aerial operations, requiring precision control, constant situational awareness, and rapid response to changing conditions. Achieving this capability autonomously reflects major advances in artificial intelligence, flight control software, and secure communications. Baykar explained that the system enables multiple unmanned platforms to operate under a single command structure while autonomously adjusting their positions during shared missions. Rather than depending on continuous pilot input, the aircraft function as a coordinated team, making real-time decisions based on mission objectives and environmental data. As part of the same test campaign, the KIZILELMA prototypes also conducted a combat air patrol mission, commonly known as CAP. In modern air warfare, CAP missions are essential for protecting designated airspace and intercepting potential threats, tasks traditionally handled by manned fighter aircraft operating in pairs or formations. During the test flight, the unmanned aircraft patrolled a predefined route using fleet autonomy software. Baykar confirmed that the mission demonstrated how air defense tasks could be executed by a group of national unmanned combat aircraft operating together as a synchronized unit. The drones maintained formation, shared situational awareness, and carried out patrol maneuvers without direct human control. The company stated that in the future, patrol and interception missions traditionally performed by manned fighter jets could be conducted autonomously by KIZILELMA formations. This approach is intended to reduce pilot load, extend operational endurance, and allow sustained air defense presence in contested environments without exposing human pilots to direct risk. Throughout the testing process, Baykar engineers closely monitored system performance, particularly the coordination logic governing multi-aircraft operations. Data collected during the flight will be used to further refine autonomous decision-making, improve formation stability, and enhance reliability during complex joint missions. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA has been developed entirely using Baykar's own resources, reflecting Türkiye's broader effort to achieve self-reliance in advanced defense technologies. The company stated that the aircraft's intelligent fleet autonomy infrastructure will continue to evolve, with a focus on enabling coordinated missions involving multiple unmanned platforms operating simultaneously. Baykar has positioned KIZILELMA as a next-generation unmanned combat aircraft designed to operate in highly contested environments. While detailed performance specifications were not disclosed following this test, earlier information has described the platform as capable of high-speed flight, carrier-based operations, and integration with networked combat systems, indicating its role within a broader air combat ecosystem. This successful autonomous formation and patrol test comes at a time when multiple countries are pursuing unmanned combat aircraft capable of operating in coordinated groups, often described as loyal wingman or swarm concepts. These systems aim to expand air power, enhance survivability, and provide commanders with greater operational flexibility while reducing risks to human pilots. What sets this achievement apart is the emphasis on fully autonomous cooperation rather than remote control. By demonstrating that two unmanned combat aircraft can fly in close formation, conduct air patrol missions, and coordinate maneuvers independently, Baykar has shown that autonomous air combat is transitioning from experimental theory to operational reality. At Mighty Military, developments like this are closely monitored because they signal a fundamental shift in how future air wars may be fought. As autonomous systems grow more capable, air forces worldwide are likely to rely increasingly on intelligent, unmanned platforms to perform missions once dominated by manned fighters. Türkiye's KIZILELMA program now stands as a clear example of how autonomy, artificial intelligence, and networked warfare are reshaping the future of military aviation.